Ikinya ria mutongoria wa thitango Haji ria kwamura wakili kuuma Ngeretha Khawar Qureshi akorwo ni uratongoria timu ya mwena wa thitango cira-ini uyu ni ritungirio uregani munene mawakili a Mwilu makiuga Haji ndari na mahinya ma kurehe mawakili kuuma mabururi ma nanja.
It is a nullity because it is purporting to exercise powers that are not granted to the Director of Public Prosecution.
Mwena wa thitango akiregana na ikinya ria kweheria Khawar cira-ini uyu ukiuga gwika uu ni gwikira kiuria mahinya-ini maria mehokeirwo munene wa watho na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
Exercising delegated authority of the Honorable DPP, and therefore it is our view that such an application has to be written, has to be in a written form, should take the form of a JR to elicit appropriate response.
The Constitution, and more particularly the provisions of Article 47, would require him to reduce his grievance in the form of a formal application, give prior notice to the DPP and the Attorney General of the nature of his complaints, and give them an opportunity to respond.
Ngarari ici igituma cira uyu wage guthie na mbere na uguo gikaro giki kiamba kurugamio kwa ihinda. Cira uyu ufatie gutuithania kana munini wa jaji munene ni afatie guthie na mbere guthitangwo na mahitia ma uhuthiri muuru wa wabici. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.